If you've ever captured the perfect moment only to find that a photo bomber or a blurry result has hindered the shot, then the Google Pixel 7a will definitely have a few features that you're going to appreciate. It makes it easier to take great photos with its clever camera system, making sure that everyone stays in focus, even when they're not. So say someone moves just as you capture the photo, or you're rushing around trying to capture a fleeting moment, this unblur effect fixes the photo after you've taken it. It can even do this from photos taken on other phones as well, so everything always looks sharp. Another nifty thing you can do is remove anything you don't want from your photos. So the Magic Eraser tool makes it really simple to remove things like photo bombers from the background so that your perfect photo stays perfect. That, along with everything else that this phone has to offer, is all made possible by the Google Tensor G2 chip. You get the same chip that's in the Pixel 7 Pro. So not only do you get that high-end camera tech, but you get the power and the fast, secure, efficient performance, plus a really impressive battery life. The Pixel 7a's adaptive battery means that it will last over 24 hours, but if you fancy going a few days without charging it, Extreme Battery Saver Mode will help it last up to 72 hours, so you're never going to be caught short if you need to make a call. So if you're looking for a powerful, fast and long-lasting smartphone, there's no need to look any further than this Google Pixel 7a. If you'd like to find out more about this Google smartphone, you can visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.